Your personal brand is your business. But how do you make the most of it? You have to cut through the noise on social media to find brands that are looking for thought leaders, people with deep insights and expertise, like you. That's why some of the largest brands, such as BCW, Cisco, IBM, Oracle, PwC, SAP, turn to Thinker360. With over 15 million followers on social media, we are the world's first and most comprehensive opt-in network of the world's foremost thought leaders, including academics, analysts, authors, consultants, influencers, and speakers. Our unique, patent-pending algorithm measures thought leadership and authentic influence in a way that's impossible through social media alone. Our services for individual thought leaders include an opportunity marketplace that allows you to promote your services as a thought leader. Using advanced search features, in-depth profiles, customized reports, specialized leaderboards, and personal introductions, we connect you with global brands looking for thought leaders. Your own thought leader profile. Rich, in-depth profiles allow you to curate your content across all your publications and channels, and share your content with one-click publishing on social media. We manage your portfolio and media kit. Curate and manage your entire thought leadership content in one place, including articles, awards, blogs, books, keynotes, panels, podcasts, social channels, speaking, videos, webinars, and white papers. Get ranked on the Thinkers360 leaderboards. We have over 50 global thought leadership leaderboards covering a wide range of business and technology topics, and we share your ranking on social media. Join the Thinkers360 Speaker Bureau. The Thinkers360 Speaker Bureau has zero transaction fees and can save our customers over 400% compared to working with traditional agents and bureaus. That means more money in your pocket. Our paid and free membership plans allows you to put your thought leadership portfolio on autopilot by having us curate your content, build your media kit, and share your success on social media, maximizing your personal brand. At Thinkers360, we're reimagining thought leadership, redefining how authentic influence is measured, outpacing the alternatives, and delivering unequaled value for brands and influencers alike. Thinkers360 is your access to top brands seeking influencers. Sign up today for free at Thinkers360.com.